I'm the Senior Assistant Director of Dining Services at the University of Illinois. I'm actually responsible for all of residential dining at the university. And currently, just to kind of frame it for you, at the university we are currently serving 8,300 meal plan students. What does that mean? We're serving approximately 24,000 meals a day, not including a la carte. If we actually look at the amount that we serve in a la carte, that actually ups the meal equivalents to 38,000 per day. And this is done amongst 7 all-you-care-to-eat facilities plus 5 a la carte facilities. Now, in regards to the student farm, we are absolutely thrilled that this exists, and we're just absolutely thrilled and very supportive for it to continue. One of the things that was really interesting for us is that being that we're a very large operation, we plan for weeks in advance, sometimes months in advance, because of our sheer volume. And what occurred last summer is that we would receive deliveries sometimes 2 times per week. It could also be more frequent or less frequent, depending on how the weather was cooperating. And what we would do is, okay, we now have this wonderful, fresh, fantastic product, and we would then incorporate it into what we were serving for that day. So it required impromptu.
Thanks, Rod. I couldn't figure out how to get it turned on. You're fine, Tom.
So then we had some impromptu changes with our menus. So we did a lot of really interesting things. For example, if you plant 1 zucchini seed, how many do you get? I think the ratio is about 1 seed per 1,000. We were making wonderful things like zucchini brownies, which are fantastic. Doing a variety of stir fries, salad bar, and the like. What was really fun about it is that it gave us the opportunity to educate our staff as well as our patrons and work with them and educate them about this process, why it is that we want to serve local foods, the importance of it, even what is carbon footprint, and why it is that we would much rather serve these marvelous grains that were picked and served the same day versus salad grains that would come in potentially from Salinas, California. So it really, really served a wonderful purpose, not only educationally, but also from a quality perspective. Now that we're looking at our 2nd year, and the student farm is actually ramping up production, one of the neat things is that they're going to actually give us a calendar anticipating when the various and sundry items will be harvested. So we know that, of course, nature cooperating, that can potentially change, but that we're going to actually incorporate this into our menu management system. Now, a little bit more, or a little bit further, is that it also has got us working on, and it's being worked on right now. We're not to the state of completion or being in full operation, is that we're attempting a closed food loop, which means that we will be composting biodegradable waste on campus that will then, in turn, the compost will be used for the farm. So we're actually really excited about that prospect. Now, as far as local foods are concerned, we have a very strong preference for local foods, and we've actually started putting that in our request for proposals when we are seeking vendors. So it's now just not something that we're asking for verbally, but it's something that we're actually putting into our purchase agreements. So we are very serious about this.
Don, do you want to talk just a minute? Sure. How do you define local in terms of the
Certainly. It's really interesting. What Malia is asking is, how do we define local? We define local currently as 180 miles from campus. We just simply draw a circle, and that is the area that we concentrate in. It's really interesting because one of our vendors actually defines local as 250 miles. And we have actually had them on our behalf, because they do tracking for us, redefine for University of Illinois purchases. But yes, 180 miles is how we're defining it at this point in time. Our preference is always local, and we've not had any issues with it meeting our quality standards. So I'm pleased to say that local has been our choice whenever it was available. We're still utilizing dairy products through Prairie Farms, which actually purchases 696,000 gallons of raw milk from U of I annually. That's one of the things that we buy back and actually serve on campus. But I think I'm talking a little too much here. As far as our local purchases are concerned, we're actually right now at 23% of a $13.7 million budget that is local. And our ultimate goal is to actually reach 40% at the end of the next 3 years. So we're working very hard to reach that goal.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jacqueline Hanna. I'm the General Manager at